In the aftermath of World War II, a secret operation was launched to bring former Nazi scientists to America. Its name, Operation Paperclip. Under the guise of preventing Soviet advancements during the early stages of the Cold War, the United States embarked on a secretive mission known as Operation Paperclip. This covert operation aimed to recruit over 1,600 German scientists, engineers, and technicians, many of whom had dark pasts intricately linked to the Nazi war machine. These individuals were not just ordinary scientists. They had played significant roles in developing advanced weaponry and technology for the Third Reich. Despite their controversial histories, the US saw their expertise as invaluable in the race against Soviet technological advancements. Among them was Wernher von Braun, the mastermind behind the V2 rocket, a revolutionary piece of technology that changed the course of history. Born in Germany, von Braun was a visionary engineer whose work laid the foundation for modern rocketry. The V2 rocket was the world's first long-range guided missile, capable of reaching unprecedented altitudes and distances. It was a marvel of engineering, combining advanced aerodynamics with powerful propulsion systems. After World War II, von Braun and many of his team members were brought to the United States under Operation Paperclip. His expertise would propel America into the space race, leading to the development of the Saturn V rocket that took humans to the moon. Some believe his work also delved into realms even more secretive, involving advanced propulsion technologies and classified government projects that remain shrouded in mystery to this day. Officially, these scientists worked on groundbreaking projects like NASA's Apollo program, which aimed to land humans on the moon and bring them safely back to Earth. Their work was instrumental in advancing our understanding of space travel and rocket technology. However, there have always been whispers and rumors of classified experiments and secret missions. Some suggest that their extensive knowledge and expertise may have been used for purposes beyond peaceful exploration. These speculations hint at a hidden agenda, possibly involving military applications or covert operations. The true extent of their contributions remains shrouded in mystery, leaving us to wonder what other secrets the stars might hold. Could the advanced technology developed under Operation Paperclip have contributed to secret space programs? Rumors persist of propulsion systems and designs far ahead of their time. During the Cold War, America needed every edge it could get. Whether it was cutting-edge aircraft or rumored extraterrestrial research, Operation Paperclip scientists played a crucial role. Operation Paperclip remains one of history's most controversial operations, raising questions about morality, secrecy, and the cost of progress. Want to uncover more hidden history? Subscribe to emgotv1.